Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the error with Twitter. We cannot send the text message to this number. Please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, so the first solution is to make sure your Twitter is up to date. You need to check to see if there is any update. If there is, then update it. And the next solution is open up the Twitter app on your phone and click on your user icon on the top. And open up two-factor authentication. In here, you can turn all of them off, or you can just turn off the text message one. Once you're done, then you can try to log into your Twitter account from the application. And also, you shouldn't block the number 40404, as if you have blocked this number, you won't be able to receive verification from Twitter. If you're still having a problem, then you can contact Twitter support and inform them about the problem. I will also leave the link in the video description. And then all you need to do, just put your username and email address in here, then describe the problem that you're having and submit and wait. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.